हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम रिकॉल करेंगे मेडिसिन आईएनएसईटी मई 2026 का क्वेश्चन पेपर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। ऑल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डिसऑर्डर्स आर एसोसिएटेड विद dystonia and basal ganglia involvement. Which one requires a distinctly different treatment approach compared to the others? Answer is D. Dopa responsive dystonia. Question number 2. A patient presents with acute left flank pain suggestive of renal colic. What is the most appropriate imaging approach for evaluation? Answer is B. NCCT followed by CECT. Question number 3. A 32-year-old man with HIV/AIDS presents with headache, fever, altered sensorium, and focal neurological deficits. His CD4 count is 40 cells per millimeter cube. MRI brain reveals multiple ring-enhancing lesions in the basal ganglia with surrounding edema. What is the most likely diagnosis? Answer is C. Cerebral toxoplasmosis. Question number 4. A middle-aged woman from Assam presents with chronic cough fever, weight loss, and cavitary lung lesions. Lung biopsy reveals granulomatous inflammation with caseous necrosis and histiocyte-rich infiltrates. Which of the following should be strongly considered in the differential diagnosis? Answer is C. Histoplasmosis. Question number 5. A 20-year-old patient presents with headache, hydrocephalus, and cranial nerve palsy. CSF analysis shows lymphocytic predominance, low glucose, and high protein levels. What is the most likely diagnosis? Answer is C. Tubercular meningitis. Question number 6. Match the following acid-base disorder with their most likely clinical association. Answer है A. First का D. Metabolic acidosis, glycol poisoning. Metabolic alkalosis, pyloric stenosis. Respiratory acidosis, bronchopneumonia. Respiratory alkalosis, hyperventilation. Question number 7. Hypertriglyceridemia is seen in all of the following conditions except. Answer is C. Abetalipoproteinemia. Question number 8. A man aged above 60 years presents with low backache and a history of treated tuberculosis. An MRI spine image is provided. What is the most appropriate next investigation? Answer is D. Protein electrophoresis. Question number 9. A patient receiving anesthesia develops an increase in end-tidal CO2 and a temperature of 104 Fahrenheit. What is the most likely diagnosis? Answer is D. Malignant hyperthermia. Question number 10. An ECG show ST segment elevation in leads 2, 3 and AVF. Which coronary vessel is most likely involved? Answer is A. Right coronary artery. Question number 11. Which of the following antibodies is associated with congenital heart block in neonates? Answer is D. Anti-RO antibody. Question number 12. A patient with chronic inflammation develops amyloidosis. Which amyloid precursor protein is most commonly associated with this condition? Answer is B. AA amyloid. Question number 13. The resting tremor seen in Parkinson disease is primarily due to which of the following basal ganglia changes? Answer A. Excitation of the globus pallidus interna. Question number 14. A 5-year-old child has a 2-year history of episodes characterized by behavioral arrest, picking movements of the right hand, and piloerection. Which of the following are correct? इसके मल्टीपल आंसर है, इसका बी एंड डी आंसर है। बी फोकल सीजर with impaired awareness or temporal lobe semiology. Question number 15. Which of the following is not considered a major risk factor for falls in the elderly? Answer है A. Hearing impairment. Question number 16. An ECG shows an irregular rhythm in a male patient presenting with sudden onset tachycardia. His vital signs are stable and there is no history of comorbidities. What is the most likely diagnosis? Answer है A. Atrial fibrillation. Question number 17. Refeeding syndrome is most characteristically associated with which metabolic abnormality? Answer A. Hypophosphatemia. Question number 18. An elderly woman presents with back pain. Laboratory investigation revealed elevated alkaline phosphatase, elevated parathyroid hormone, low phosphate levels, and normal calcium levels. What is the most likely diagnosis? Answer A. B. Secondary hyperparathyroidism due to vitamin D deficiency. Question number 19. A 60-year-old man undergoes a cerebral cortex biopsy that demonstrates amyloid protein deposition on histopathology. What is the most likely diagnosis? Answer A. Alzheimer's disease. Question number 20. A patient with Korsakoff syndrome is most likely to present with which of the following? Answer D. Anterograde amnesia and recent memory loss. Question number 21. A patient presents with visual field defects associated with motor symptoms. Which lobe is most likely involved? Answer is C. Parietal lobe. Question number 22. A patient with thalassemia major is most likely to have which of the following? Answer A. Iron overload. Question number 23. A patient has hemoglobin of 8 gram per dl, MCB of 60 femtoliter, and low serum iron levels. What is the most likely diagnosis? Answer A. Iron deficiency anemia. Question number 24. Cyanosis is most likely to be seen in which of the following conditions? Answer A. Eisenmenger syndrome. Question number 25. A patient develops cyanosis of the lower limbs on